Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my 2024 favorite products. I know I'm like 10 to 15 days late, but it's fine. We are just 10 to 15 days into 2025. I've made few categories. So I'm going to be telling my favorite product from each category. These are the categories. The first thing is fashion. So, my current favorite clothing item is this. I'm sure people who have this already know. This is Bliss Club Ultimate Flare Pants. So comfortable, it feels like your second skin. I already have two colors, black and blue. I think it's the best yoga pants on the market right now. What makes this so good is that you can wear this on a daily basis. If you want to go to gym, you can wear this. If you want to go to your classes, you can wear under your kurtis, or you can wear with formals, but I am not that comfortable to wear with formals. I am used to my usual formal pants. This is the first product I'm obsessed with. The next clothing item is Allen Solly blazers. All the blazers I own are from Allen Solly. I have one in black and I have one in grey color. Also, I have one in blue color which I have given to my friend. She's not in her room, so I could not show you guys, but I'll insert pictures where I've worn these. I think it's a great blazer. The next item is this jeans from Freakins. As you can see, it's from Freakins. Sorry, I'm filming from my phone, so it's just going to be inverted, but yeah, it's from Freakins. This was actually my roommate's jeans which I bought from her because I absolutely loved it and she was willing to sell it to me, so I bought this. And this is going to be my go-to jeans in 2025. The next category is my favorite footwear. The footwear, I can't show it right now because it's a bit dirty, but I'm going to put up a picture from Amazon. This exact footwear I absolutely love. As you guys already know, I'm an MBA student and I have to wear formals for 4 days a week. I hate wearing heels because I have to walk a lot. If you guys have already watched my videos, you know how much I've ranted about walking in this campus. That's exactly why I love this. So the next category is bag of 2024, which is this tote bag from Miragio. Sorry, I can't show that bag right now because it's my roommate's bag and I'm yet to buy it. I am going to buy it this year, definitely, because I love that bag. It holds so many things. One thing you guys don't know about me is I order things very frequently. I have to carry parcels from the courier room to my room. That bag can literally hold up to like 3 to 5 parcels. So that's not the only reason why I love that bag, but you get the gist. That is the best bag and I am going to buy that bag soon. Next thing is my jewelry box. It's very messy right now, but I'm just going to show you how big this is. So you open it like this and I'm sorry, it is very messy. I've removed everything and I've put it here. And also you can remove this and you get more storage inside. This is my favorite. You also get a key with this to lock this in. This is your keyhole with which you can lock this. That concludes our category of fashion. The next category I'll be talking about is beauty and skincare, which is my favorite category. My absolute favorite skincare are these two items. So this is a rice toner from the brand called I Am From. It's from Yeoju, Korea. This toner particularly has been very popular. This makes your skin glow and it gives you that extra moisture you need. And talking about this, my absolute favorite. I have very dry skin and this helps with it a lot. I think this is my 4th time ordering this. I don't even know what to tell about this product. It makes your face literally glow. These two are my favorite products from 2024, which I am going to be using in 2025 as well. Talking about my favorite makeup product is this. Sorry, it's dirty, but this Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. I love this, but I also love NARS foundation, which I can't afford right now, but it has been my favorite product in 2024. I'm not using it because I cannot afford it right now. That is my all-time favorite foundation. These two foundations are my go-to foundations. Talking about lipsticks, my favorite lipsticks are these. This is Peri Pera Ink Velvet lipstick in the shade 31, and this is Romand shade 21. Both are Korean lip tints. That is what I'm wearing right now as well. They don't stay for a long time, but if you keep reapplying, it works wonders. These are my favorite skincare products and my favorite makeup products. The next product is my favorite hair care, which is this Ravel shampoo. It's been 3 months since I started using this and it's been great on my hair. This shampoo is made just for you. Personalized shampoo where you can put your hair goals, your hair texture, how thin and thick it is. You can put everything you want in a shampoo and it delivers. The next is my favorite moisturizer, I think, of all times. It's not just 2024. I think this is a Plum Vanilla Caramello body lotion. It smells so good. It feels like you've just walked out of a bakery. I slather this on my whole body and I smell so delicious the whole day. This is my second bottle already. So my favorite, absolute favorite product. The next thing I'll be talking about is nail care. You might think I'm crazy, but these are press-on nails from an Instagram page called Tempted. I think I have their whole collection. There are a lot more in my bag. These are so affordable. Once it sticks to your nail, I think it stays on for 2 weeks, and they have such cute collection. They have nail art, 3D nails and 2D nails and plain solid colors. I'll insert pictures of the nails I've worn so far. So these are the nails I've worn so far. I will never stop buying from them. I absolutely love their page. This concludes our beauty and skincare. The next category is home and room decor. As you can see behind me, let me show you. Yeah, so all of these are from Amazon. So my favorite decorative item right now is fairy lights. It's a USB, which I'll just show you. It's like this. So this is the USB. Right now it's turned off, and when I put it back on, so yeah. If you're looking for a fairy light which can last long, I think you can go for this. Both of them come together. I think I did not order it separately. Another product which I love is my study lamp, which, does this. This also has a USB. This is a touch lamp. So this is where the touch is. It's already on. It's at level 1. So this is level 2 and this is level 3. I'll just put it on my face so you can see it better. Level 1, level 2 and level 3. This also has 3 levels. This is a normal light. This is your white light, and this is your warm light. It was pretty affordable. I think it was 600 or 700. So this is also one of the best products of 2024. The next product is this storage box, which I'm going to put up a picture from Amazon. It's a 5-layer storage box which I've already shown in my room tour video, like how it looks. It has 5 drawers. If you have storage problems, I think this is the best product. I'm so sorry, I suck at explaining how good these products are. I don't have good words to describe how much I love these products. The next thing I'll be talking about is my favorite blanket, which is this. This is also from Amazon. This was my go-to product in 2024, which I'm obviously bringing to 2025. That concludes our home and decor items. The next thing I'll be talking about is tech and gadgets. And the first thing in that is, I don't know if they're going to watch my video, but I'm obsessed with cases from Velvet Caviar. These are how the cases look. The one I've put right now, I'm going to put a clip of that as well. But this is my absolute favorite phone case. I think I discovered Velvet Caviar in 2019, I don't even remember. That was my first. I was using iPhone SE 2020 version. The only problem with them is their shipping takes a lot of time because the product comes from the US. It's also, I think, 7 or 8 feet drop tested. I can assure you, because I've dropped my phone I think more than 100 times, and thankfully it has not broken. There has not been a single scratch. Touch wood. I don't know which one is correct. Funny story, I was taking bath yesterday and I was watching a YouTube video. My phone vibrated and it fell so hard. I panicked for a second and nothing had happened. It's all because of this case. I'm scared to change my phone because I don't want to spend a lot of money again. You have to pay in dollars. The next thing I'll be talking about, best apps or software or anything. My favorite app right now is Canva. I love making presentations just because I have the pro version, and also I have the pro version of ChatGPT. Everyone hates that limit you get, after which you can't ask questions, but I don't have that problem anymore because I have pro version. I have YouTube Premium. I don't use Spotify. Sorry guys. Sorry for all the Spotify users. I use YouTube Premium, YouTube Music, because I get all the songs I want. I don't think Spotify has all the songs because sometimes I listen to Kannada songs, Korean songs. Most of the Korean songs are not on Spotify. I'm not talking about your popular, K-pop songs. I'm talking about OSTs of Korean dramas and also Devarnamas. My go-to app for music is YouTube Music, and also your Netflix, your Amazon. These are the best apps you can subscribe for and you will have no regrets. The next thing I'll be talking about is my Polaroid camera. You get to capture all the memories and keep it like this. I got this as a gift from my friends for my last birthday. It opens like this and you click like this. Obviously I don't have films right now, and also the films are pretty expensive, but I think it's worth it. So that concludes, I think, our tech and gadgets as well. The next category I'll be talking about is hygiene. So when it comes to hygiene, this is the disinfectant liquid from UG's. Just one pump and your undergarments will be clean. The next product is this panty liners from PSafe. For the days where you feel very uncomfortable, you can use this, and also you can use this when it's your 5th day or 6th day of your period. So yeah, this is the best product. The next hygienic product is this. This is plum deodorant, vanilla flavor, and it smells so good. This is for your underarms. This mixed with that body vanilla caramello moisturizer will be heaven. This lasts the whole day, so you don't smell funky at all. With that, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was of some help. Please consider liking, sharing and subscribing if you liked this video. Also turn on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye.